Meaning of hot rod.
Hot rod.
Hot rod.
Hot rod.
Hot rod. Hot rod is a term used to describe a highly modified car, typically an older model American car from the 1930s to 1950s, that has been modified for speed and style. These modifications can include installing a more powerful engine, upgrading the suspension, and adding custom paint and upholstery. Hot rods are often associated with the subculture of hot rodding and drag racing. While hot rods are still popular among car enthusiasts today, they hold a special place in American automotive history as symbols of innovation, creativity, and rebellion.